Yes, we got a bit of a pullback in the gold. We got a bit of a frightening period in gold, but we could be getting ready for a slingshot move in the markets, and we could be getting ready for a big move up to the upside. And that breakout that we've all been waiting for could be just around the corner. Let me share with you what I'm seeing with the silver and also gold. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, let's get straight into it right now. I'll start off with silver first, because that's sort of the easiest one to sort of get you guys up to date. What I'm seeing right now with silver is we are just continuing in this sideways range, really not much going on. It's a dead in the door now, and people that haven't been investing in silver and gold, man, they're running out of patience. Let me know. Let me know what you leave a comment below if you're running out of patience with silver and gold. Right? It's definitely testing a lot of people's patience. But just be patient, okay? Because I do believe good things are likely to come over the next 12 months. If you're investing long-term buy, good things are likely to come over the next 12 months or more. I truly believe. But looking at silver, right, we're just still pretty much doing nothing, just going sideways. And the area for me is I would want to start to see if silver can start to hold here and get us back above this $26 level. Then on this weekly chart, you can see how that's a major resistance level, but it's also this is also a major support level back here. That's the reason why we had this rejection point here recently, was because of that resistance point. Now, if I have a look at this point back here, this is the whole support level, and now we're having a lot of problems there. So if we can hold and we can start to bring back up through there, let me go back. This is the weekly chart. Let me go back to the daily chart. Then you can see how that could ultimately lead, that there could then ultimately start to lead to another big move coming out of silver. So maybe and potentially get ready for that when it comes to silver. But again, that'll be the key for me. If we get back above 26, that'll be the key for me. To say, okay, we're now likely to start another leg like we saw back here in the middle of this year. We're now likely to see another similar pattern that actually happened back there. Moving over now through to gold, and gold right now has been just dead in the doornails, and we're now seeing a bit of a flush to the downside. The one thing you want to see is that if we are likely to, if this is some form of a bear trap, if this is some form of a bear trap, and we are likely to, and this is now likely to be a bear trap, what you would want to see is this. Let me bring up my trend lines. What you will want to see is this. Firstly, you have this major support level that had a lot of problems here around 1860. That same through there, all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks through here as well, and all these weeks through here, and then we had the sell-off. If this is going to be some sort of a false breakdown before a move up, I call it like a slingshot pattern, because the slingshot pattern, a lot of the markets do this. You'll see support, support, support. It'll break below support. It'll then hold there for a bit, and then it'll come back up, and then it will start to move. It stops people out because people have got stops here for longs. It gets people short, and then the market just loves to do that. So if we are going to create that pattern, what would we want to start to see that, okay, this is now, yes, this is the final low at this time anyway of this down move before we start to see another nice move up. What would we want to see? We would want to see this thing hold here, continue going sideways, and for us to start to eke out a very nice move coming back to the upside. So we want to start to see this thing get back above 1800, possibly even up to 1900. If we can get that, that tells me this is the last little final hooray in gold. And then then yes, we're likely to start to see a big move. So this will be the pattern to keep an eye on for, guys. Keep an eye on. Who knows what's going to happen? Excuse me. Who knows what's going to happen? But this is just an interesting pattern to look out for, to see if we are likely to start to make a big move to the upside. And my voice has just gone. Traders, before you go, make sure you head on down to johnsflashsale.com, because I'm running a flash sale to my entire Master Trader Lab. You'll learn the most powerful systems, strategies, and trading investing techniques that will help you make more progress towards your trading goals in the next 6 months than you have in the last 6 years. I promise you that. So here's what you're going to learn in this course. The one big thing you must know, every single trader must know: how to create a fearless trading psychology, how my mentor made $2 million, the simple but powerful trading techniques that every trader must know, the top 30 mistakes, chart reading master course, about 10 videos here, the advanced chart reading master course, about another 4 or 5 videos there, the one powerful chart pattern that has been working since the 1950s, blast off trading system, ultimate trading system, powerful trading system, the most powerful and successful option trading system, the most explosive and powerful chart pattern, the difference between trading and investing, my 226% return investing trade that I did there, and so much more. There's over 10 hours worth of content, and I'm giving you a money back guarantee. So go to johnsflashstyle.com right now, because I'm only running this for a very short period of time, then it's over. So go to johnsflashstyle.com, and I'll see you real soon.